restaurant, we found an app called Groupon, and you can get lots of cheap deals through app. So this restaurant called Mediterranean, it is in a hotel, and actually price here are really good even without the discount. I will show you in a minute. Most important, they have a beer for 35 dirhams, which is exceptional price. Usually is around 40, 50 dirhams. So it's really, really good. Let's check the menu. This is the menu. You can actually see how affordable even five-star hotels and restaurants are if you found like some good deal, or if you're willing to do some research, you can find really, really good prices. Here is in Dubai. I know lots of people saying Dubai is expensive, but I never experienced expensive Dubai. For me, it's still like kind of low cost holiday. Even I mostly stay in five-star hotel and eat out in restaurants. Let's try it. Let's look delicious. Very good and fresh. Yeah. We are having a lunch in Indian restaurant at JBR Beach, and all this food is around 20 pounds, which is a really good price. We also got 20% discount because of a repeat. But for the location and food wise, it's definitely good price. Today dinner is a small Thai restaurant in Lake Towers. And again, we got a group home, so we are paying less for our food. I will let you know at the end how much we pay approximately. But it looks really nice. People here are amazing. Staff amazing. So far, it's a good experience. Rat got a duck with rice, and I'm still waiting for mine. And here is mine. I have some kind of pad thai. It's something different than original pad thai, so I will see. It looks delicious. And we also got some spring rolls. We are after amazing dinner in Thai restaurant. It was delicious. It's remind me Thailand. We ended up paying 21 pounds for 2 main dishes and 1 starter and bottle of water, big bottle of water. It was with discount from Groupon, so we saved up some money. I actually realized we never pay more than 30 pounds for a dinner, which is amazing because compared to London or even Edinburgh, it's so cheap. I don't really know where people going for that expensive meal, probably for some like high-posh restaurant, but we always found some really nice restaurant and it's cheap. If you use like a Groupon or some older apps, even Karim, you can get some discount there as well with Karim, like 20-25% off from from your meal in some restaurants. So just Google a little bit and definitely you can have a cheap lunch or dinner. Another day, another restaurant with very good prices. I am getting shawarma for 35 dirhams with salad and chips. And Rad, he got half grilled chicken again with some side as well. We will see if it's cold. I think they are preparing my shawarma over there. My shawarma is already here. It looks delicious. It is actually Beirut shawarma, and Rad is still waiting for his chicken. Rad chicken arrived, and it looks delicious. Tonight dinner was again delicious. I love my Beirut shawarma. Definitely try it if you are here in Dubai or Middle East. It's amazing. It's like with avocado and some cheese, and it's really good. So if you find some restaurant with this, try it. We end up paying £16 for tonight dinner. Let me know in a comment. Yeah, and we had actually a bottle of water. Let me know if you think it's cheap or you think it's expensive or just alright. And like I don't know how you feel about prices here in Dubai, but definitely even if you want to eat out every night, it's really possible. Portions are actually huge. We finished that, but we are so full. So we are going to have some walk around, and yeah. So let me know how you feel about prices here in Dubai so far, because I think it's really cheap, and we are not definitely we are not eating in the cheapest restaurant. I think if you stay in Deira or in old part of Dubai, you can find even cheaper restaurants. We are trying Filipinos dessert. It's massive. It's really big. It's large portion, and we paid 20 dirhams, so it's like four pounds. This is the name of restaurant, and as you can see, they have some price here, and it's really good. Like it's from £4 till £5, and you will get a main dish with coffee. We are having late lunch and local Chinese restaurant. The portion is approximately £7, 32 dirhams per portion. Raz got rice and I have noodles. It's actually a massive portion. We are in Lapa restaurant. It's one of my favorite shawarma restaurant here in Dubai. It's very cheap. I know they do really good shawarma here, so looking forward to have some food finally today. You will get some sauces, pickles, and a bread here. We already got our food. I am having chicken shawarma with hummus hummus is actually inside, and Rad he got beef shawarma.
Beef shawarma.
Enjoy! After the lunch in Lapak, it's still my favorite restaurant. It was actually our cheaper meal out so far. We paid 13 pounds for 2 main meals and with Mirinda and 7-Up. Very good price, amazing, really fresh food. Definitely visit this place if you are here in Dubai, especially in Barsha. It's always packed, always so many people there, so many orders. They do orders, you can order food as well if you want. I will end up this video about eating out in Dubai here. I think you have pretty good idea how you can eat cheap here in Dubai. You don't need to break a bank if you want to come. Definitely there is lots of restaurants where you can eat for more money if you want, but yeah, I prefer to go with local and eat cheap. It's still really good. I know it might not look fancy, some of the restaurants, but food and quality it's really good. Let me actually know if you think Dubai is expensive or not, and your experience if you already visit Dubai, if you spend a lot of money or if you think it's cheap. I will definitely appreciate your comment on this video. For now, stay safe and see you later with another Dubai adventure.